Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable dark mode on a Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 or Android 15 version. By default, you can see enable the light mode on your device. You can enable disable light mode or set the schedule to automatically activate the dark mode or light mode on your Pixel device. Let's see both way. First method is the quickest method. Just swipe down the notification panel on your device. Swipe the screen and you can find the dark theme option on your device. Just tap on it to enable the light mode. Now here you can see enable the light mode on my Pixel 10 device. To enable dark mode, again swipe down the notification panel. Swipe the screen, tap on the dark theme again, and you can see enable the dark mode or activate the dark mode on your device. This dark mode is the helpful to improve or increase the battery life of your Pixel device. So you can use the dark mode also for this reason. Or if you want to set the schedule to automatically activate the dark mode, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down, tap on display and touch. Here you can find dark theme option in the appearance section, so you can quickly toggle on or toggle up using this. To customize the dark mode, just tap on it. Here you can see the device location needed to determine your sunset to sunrise. Here you can see the schedule option, tap on it. Now here option is the non turn on at a custom time, so here you can set the start time or end time to automatically activate dark mode or turn on the dark mode on your Google Pixel 10 series. Also you can select turn on from sunset to sunrise. To use this, make sure location settings is enabled, so toggle on the location. To use this feature to sunset to sunrise, automatically activate dark theme or black background on your Google Pixel device. That will be helpful to battery last longer on your device. So you can set schedule. If you don't want, you select the non option. So quite easy to enable or disable dark mode or dark theme on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.